I'm going to simply show you how to fix Rainbow Six Siege freezing on PC. So for the first method, you should go to the Windows taskbar, right click on any empty space, and then head straight to Task Manager. Now this will pop up. Go to the search and type in the launcher that you have the game on, for example Steam. If you do find your launcher running as a process in the background, make sure to go select it, right click and select End Task, and ensure that you have no task appearing anymore. After that, you can deselect the search, and you should expand this Task Manager until these parameters appear. We need to focus on the CPU and the memory usages. I highly recommend keeping the CPU and the memory below 100%. You can scroll through all these processes. When you do find any useless or suspicious app, for example like this, you can right click on it and then select End Task. You should try doing this as much as you can do. Once done, you can close the Task Manager. Next, go to the search and type in NVIDIA. Now open the NVIDIA app if you do have an NVIDIA graphics card, and open the AMD app if you do have an AMD graphics card. After that, go to the settings in the left menu and make sure to switch off the NVIDIA overlay to prevent any issue appearing. After that, go to the drivers in the left menu and make sure to update your graphics card driver by selecting the install or the download button right here. Next, go to the search and type in device manager. After this window will pop up, you can see the display adapters element. Go open the side arrow and head to the NVIDIA or AMD graphics card, right click on it and select the first option. After that, select search automatically for drivers, click on close. Next, go to the search and then look for settings. Once done, you will be redirected to this page. So in the left bottom corner, you will see the Windows Update section, click on it, and from here you need to ensure that you have already downloaded the latest Windows Update. Even if you do have failed updates like me, you should select retry all. You probably stuck on doing this, so it's so simple, easy to fix. Go to the update history. After that, deselect the first two options, and then all you have to do is to either uninstall the update that you are confident that is doing the issue, or if you don't know, just select recovery. After that, select reinstall now. Once done, go to the search and type in services and select this. Now once this pop up, select any service you will find right here, it doesn't matter. After that, select the W hotkey on your keyboard. You will be teleported to this, so it's easy to look for the Windows Update server. Once done, double click on it. After that, make sure to switch the startup type and put it to automatic, not manual. After that, all you have to do is to switch the service status from stop to running by clicking on this button and then select apply and OK. Next, go ahead and open your launcher that you have the game on. For example, the Steam launcher that I have here. You should go to the Steam icon in the top left corner. After that, select check for Steam client updates. It will be starting by verifying the newest versions. If you do have that, you wouldn't have the download button appearing next right here. So click on close. After that, go to library and select collections. Now look for Rainbow Six Siege. You must have the game installed already, because when you go to the manage option right here and then go to properties, you wouldn't see the installed files section right here. So once done, you need to click it. After that, select verify integrity of game files. Just need to wait for the process to finish and then go to general back. After that, make sure to write this prompt in the launch options, which is -dx11. Make sure to close everything, and that's it.